whitening system. It is a completely natural way of whitening your teeth. So first things first, you're gonna wanna buy the activated charcoal powder. Comes in a tub like this. It's a bit messy, so I would do it over the sink if I were you. It is made from coconuts. It is food grade, 100% organic and raw, non-abrasive, gluten-free, and it is vegan friendly, which is huge nowadays. My favorite part about this is the fact that I don't get sensitive teeth after I'm done using it. I've done a lot of teeth whiteners, I've done the little lights, I've done the strips, all that good stuff, and I always get super, super sensitive. So this is actually one that really works for me. Get is gonna be the bamboo toothbrush, first and foremost. You're gonna get your activated charcoal powder, and then you're gonna need the oil pulling packet. It has a little informational pack in it, and they come in these cute little packages. So this is one use. Basically, you just want to rip the top off or cut it off. I like to run mine under hot water so it's not so chunky because the coconut oil does harden a bit. And then just empty out the contents into your mouth and swish it for 5 to 15 minutes. And then I just spit it out, and your mouth is actually really minty after. All in all, I have used this about 3 months. I'm a huge coffee drinker, so I definitely notice when my teeth stain and things like that. I've had braces on before, so my teeth stain super easy, and this product has really actually worked in keeping my teeth white, keeping them soft and shiny looking, so I will definitely continue to use this guy right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys get a chance to try this awesome product.